Hello guys, I welcome you in this video. Today I just want to share with you something very interesting. You can see here we have a beautiful downtrend, but if you can pay close attention into this area, you can tell that there is something different that is beginning to take place. Let me just illustrate to you. Before you can make a decision or before you can begin your analysis as a trader, it is very important to pay attention into how the waves are changing. Here we have an impulsive wave going down, we have the previous one also going down, and also we have that one going down, and same thing applies on the correctives. You can see we have our corrective waves going up. I just want you to notice the difference, and then we have this one all over there. I'm sorry about that one. So you can see the impulsive and the corrective waves, and then something strange began to take place here with this impulsive wave. Unfortunately, it is very small compared to the other impulsive waves which are going down, and then this other corrective wave, let me just duplicate that one. And then this corrective wave, you can see it is very huge compared to the other green corrective wave. So with two conclusions here. The impulsive waves, they're getting smaller, and when the impulsive waves are getting smaller, it necessarily means that the market is getting weaker. So here the market is being controlled by the sellers. So if you see the impulsive wave becoming smaller, it simply means that the sellers, they are now becoming weaker. And then the second conclusion is that we have the corrective waves, and we can see this corrective wave is very small compared to the most recent one. So if the corrective waves, they become big, it necessarily means that the opposing side, in this case the buyers, it means that they are getting a little bit stronger. So if the buyers are getting a little bit stronger, it is usually a sign that the reversal is about to appear when it was a downtrend, just as it is here. But what I want to talk about is usually what traders will do in such scenarios. A lot of traders will ignore what I just showed you, the issue of momentum. They will ignore the strength, they will ignore the momentum, and then they will begin to go with key levels. For an example, they will pay attention into that area there and say, hey, look, the market is bouncing on that area, and that is a very important area, so let us execute a selling trade. So what they will do is that they will begin to execute a selling trade in that area, which is very wrong. Although in their mindset they will think that this is a beginning of a range, maybe spotting the support as all the way there. They will see this as a beginning of a range. However, it's not really safe for you to execute a sell. Why? It is because if you execute a sell, it means that you are betting on this side, which is the weaker side. So you are betting on the sellers, which the market has proven to us that they failed. The market has told us that this side is really weak, so it is risky for you to bet on this side. However, what you need to do is to always look for opportunity or opportunities that are going to favor the buyers. Why? Because the buyers, they are the stronger side, as we have told, as we have concluded through this corrective wave that got a little bit bigger. So what you need to do as a trader is that don't go with the risky side, or don't go with the weaker side. Always look for strength and then go with the strength. In that way, you'll increase your win rate, because that's our problem as traders. We always go with the weaker side because we believe in patterns and we believe in key levels. Sometimes the key levels should follow, not even sometimes, all the time, the key levels should follow the strength. So you have to first analyze the strength, and then once you establish which side is stronger and which side is weaker, then you have to go with the key levels and patterns as well. So in this scenario, or in such an example, what I will encourage is that make sure that you wait for buyers to give you an opportunity. When will buyers give you an opportunity? For an example, it's likely that the buyers are going to push a little bit up and break on this side heading up. Then after the breakout, you can confidently execute a buying trade. Or if the market doesn't go up, it will go down. Just wait until it shows you signs of reversing, going all the way up. When you buy on the lows, or when you go with the buyers, you are safe because strength is favoring them. So what you another thing that you need to keep in mind is that make sure that you pay attention into this area, because this is the area that will keep this theory active. if the price breaks this area and go all the way below, it means that it's over with what we've established here. It means that this trend of the buyers has been cancelled. Why? Because if the market breaches this area, it means that we'll receive a lower low, and if we see a lower low, it means that the sellers, they're getting strong again, because we're gonna see this pattern repeating. It means that the market is getting lower and lower. But as long as the market has not broken this area, it's good for you to go with the buyers, because it is buyers market as long as the price is above this area right there. So I'm just gonna keep it short and leave it here. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching.